Here are some more adventures of the Speaker's Corner dog. For a start, she squeaks when she walks on concrete and on wood. She caught a pufferfish in the canal once. She caught a crab too. Well, the crab caught her. Yipe, 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 yipe. But since catching the pufferfish, she likes to go into the canal to hunt fish. The trouble is, well, she's not that good at it. So I like to trick her. I throw stones and she thinks they're fish. For a good half hour. She's a good ratter though. She has caught 36 rats, though today there is one rat she won't catch. Now this is what a dog looks like, with no teeth but a bone to eat. And when you don't have teeth, it's hard to pick up a plastic bottle. This usually goes on for some time. Ah, she's got it. Oh, no, not quite. There we go. Ah. We'll leave her to it. On Monday she bursts 30 balloons, and again on Thursday. Anything to keep the arthritis away. Skitch 'em! Oi enjoys chasing waves. She's a highly intelligent dog. I get to read the entire newspaper while urging her on. She's very clever. But she does have one frustrating habit. She turns her nose up at the quality dog food I give her. So I experimented. I threw a handful on the pavement just outside, then took her for a walk. Sure enough, 3 minutes ago she ignored a whole bowlful. Figure that out. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, the birds have been nicking it, I discovered recently. Indian minor birds, cheeky buggers. There's another one. Was it keeping watch or was it just waiting its turn? I don't know. At least someone appreciates it, I guess. So, that's another day in the life of the Speaker's Corner dog. Goodbye. Get those fish! Get 'em!